Hello and welcome to this video on using Audacity, which is a free open source cross-platform audio recording app to record online audio content. So for this, you'd be using it to record your online Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings. In this example, I'll be using it to record audio from an online YouTube video. So here, audacityteam.org is where you'd download the program. When you have it running, it'll look something like the left window here. Make sure to record internal audio. Make sure this is set to Windows WASAPI and the speakers has loop back at the end of it. So I'll browse to my video, start recording here by clicking record and click play. The tick in it will create a new checklist. So here I'm just going to give it a quick title, say shopping, and then add items in underneath. So you can see there the audio has been recorded by these little sound bars appearing. I can play that back by clicking on play at the top. The tick in it will create a new checklist. So here I can also note that the timestamp here at the bottom left. So during a lecture, if you note that something important was said, just take down the timestamp. For example, if something was said 10 minutes in, write 10M on your notes. So this is a really handy and useful way of recording online lectures. To output it as an MP3, you can click on File, Export, and export as MP3 and save the file locally or transfer it to your phone. So this has been a quick run through of recording online content using Audacity. Thank you.